have a privilege now to represent the EVA protocol. So I'm here to talk about how we can unlock the potential of Telegram ecosystem with first lending protocol on Ton. So when we started our journey 1 year ago on the hackathon, there was no lending and borrowing protocol in Ton. As you see, there was no even like Google results on that query. So without lending protocol, as you might know, there is a limited trading and earning on Ton on any DeFi ecosystem. There is no such a tools that can help to boost the DeFi. So the solution for EVA is like bringing and keeping the liquidity on Ton. It's funding way for ecosystem projects, leveraging Telegram users and providing decentralized margin trading on the open network. Our product feature is native Ton and wrapped assets. It's basically integration with the Telegram through Telegram mini app with also different partners. And obviously, it's one crucial thing is EVA software development kit, which will be which will allow the different protocols and the new ecosystem players to create custom stablecoins for base token farming or simple leverage for a DEX UI on top of EVA. The supply and borrowing through the Telegram mini app, we believe that we have the best user experience in the world of DeFi because obviously through the 3 clicks, you are able to lend and borrow right in Telegram with our mini app. Let's talk about the SDK and how it can help us and the whole ecosystem. So obviously, it's a seamless integration with different wallets, DEXs, and other protocols. It's like one button DeFi solution for Telegram channels and the mass adoption. We might hear about the new upcoming trends called the social fi, and we believe that the Telegram could be with the Ton could be up runner in this new trend because of massive user base and what our protocol is providing on top of that. It's also really crucial for every social fi or friend tech projects. Ton best practices for the lending and borrowing protocol, yes, always low fees. It's half of the dollar, easy to scale, and fees are always really low. Comparing, for example, with Ethereum, which the scalability is hard to achieve, is basically impossible to achieve with high fees, which are not suitable for a big amount of users and the retail users. So let's talk about the business model. With our projection with the TVL over 76.5 million estimated, and the business model that based on origination borrow fee, which is 0.1% and 20% fee on borrow APY, the estimation annual revenue that is going to DAO is over $1.6 million. Let's talk about the go-to-market strategy. So step 1, obviously, is a liquidity program supported by Ton Foundation and first suppliers and first borrowers that is coming because of basically the first step, which is Ton liquidity program that is boosting the ecosystem. The step 2 SDK integration with wallets and DEXs, B2B solutions for liquid staking and more. So basically as a one and only lending protocol on Ton, is crucial for all the liquid staking tokens to basically have opportunity to loop those tokens and have more use cases. And one more thing is the NFT lending, which you might know that basically on Ton, there are probably the best use case NFTs such as anonymous numbers and usernames on top of Telegram. So it's also crucial for those users who are willing to use their NFTs as a collateral. And step 3, it's the EVA token that's like utility, and this is like liquidity mining program. So basically, we are incentivizing our suppliers with the EVA token for basically the main purpose is to boost the TVL of the entire ecosystem. Let's talk about the testnet numbers. We are the biggest. We were the biggest testnet in Ton ecosystem with over 13,000 testnet monthly active users. And basically, as you see, mainnet waitlist participants, it was closer to 200K, with a 10K really active, with almost 10K really active testnet form feedbacks. So that was probably like the biggest and the most active users in the testnet. Regarding the partnership and the collaboration, we might see pretty much everyone in the ecosystem. The biggest player, the launchpads, dexes, wallets, different DAO protocols as well. We also like auditors, well-known auditors, and the Oracle solutions as well. Something about the team, we built like different team members already built the DeFi protocols, so we are experienced in the different ecosystem as well, and we are also well known in the Ton ecosystem, and basically started our journey within the hackathons with the activity, like different contributions, etc. We are backed by the Toncoin Fund, Oriole Ventures, and Existential Capital in our pre-seed round, and as well as one of the biggest holder of a network of Telegram channels as Angel. Our different Medium articles as well regarding the pre-seed stage, and you can find basically more in our social medias. Funding goals are 1.5 million through the South for the next 12 months for the seed to cover seed round. The money will go through the protocol development, marketing expansion, and legal setup, more security IDs due to new upcoming features, now listing to the Texas, etc. For overall evaluation is 18 million. That's basically the TMEA example of our user interface inside the Telegram, and the needed QR for the mainnet, so you can try it on your own. Just scan, and here you go in the Telegram through the mini app.
Lovely.
So that's basically it. Hopefully it was right in time, and I'm open to answer questions.
That was right and tight on time. Thank you so much for your showcase. We got another question from Yugame from Polka Starter. Let me see. I'm bringing it on now. Stay tight.
I can see it.
Please, Ivan.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Hello. So what are the good and bad from building on Ton?
Good. I would say now we have only better parts, to be honest. 2 years ago when we started, it was much harder to start. There was lack of the proper documentation for the tooling for the builders. So now we see more and more Launchpad, biggest players also coming supporting Ton. So now it's much easier to start. So
okay, so
yeah,
the main bad idea was not develop infrastructure 3 years ago, right?
yeah, I would say there's a start.
And the next question is, yeah, you're welcome.
I just wanted to say that the entry point it was not that easy as well, due to fancy smart contract programming languages. Now we have Takt, so more projects. It's more human readable, I would say, closer to Solidity, so the other developers could also use it, and it's much easier to start with.
Okay, thanks. And the next question, so you natively build in Ton. Can we expect in the future expansions to other blockchain networks?
I would say since we start on the Ton virtual machine, we might consider only the other Ton virtual machine ecosystem, but now we have only focused on Ton, since we have lots of stuff to be done and finished.
Okay,
lovely.
I guess we have a judge coming on stage.
Yes, we have another question from Nick from Mergewave, bringing you on now. Welcome back. Please check your mic again.
Yeah. Just checked it. So the question on my side is about the tokens on the apps on the testnet. As for now, I can see only 3 tokens, 2 stable coins and Ton basically. So when do you plan to add more tokens to the app, and what the tokens will you add first?
Yeah, first of all, yeah, native Ton, two wrapped like basically Jeton, USDC, and USDT. And upcoming tokens that we are focused the most, it's the LSD, liquid staking derivatives. Since we have like the best use case right now and possibility, we have 5 liquid stakers, like liquid staking protocols and 1 lending. So it's pretty great use case for us and for our partners as well. So we focusing on those tokens.
Got it. Thanks.
Thank you, Nick. Yeah, first of all, congratulations on being the most active app on Ton. That's a great achievement. And Ton is quite rapidly also evolving as a network and is also designed by the bright minds of Telegram, which kind of every Web3 user uses, of course. So my question is, are there any direct synergies for Ton builders like you with Telegram? Like any integrations for DeFi?
Well, like as a builders, we just use this, the framework that Telegram is provided through the mini apps with just simple SDK. So there is no that kind of like synergies. But as you might hear, like it was announced the partnership between Telegram and Ton. So like of our, we're trying to leverage like the user base, obviously, and everything that Telegram is providing to the Web3 ecosystem
That's
as much as we
amazing.
can.
Lovely. Well, you got some traction. I see one more question coming up. Yeah, again, a security question. Security in DeFi is quite a big challenge. So how do you tackle security gaps on EVA protocol?
Yeah, great question. Think about that. We're going through the audit from like the people who know the Ton virtual machine the best. It's like the core developers like of Ton themselves. So we're going through the audit by them.
Understood. We're also out of time. So thank you so much for being on board today and all the best with further developments.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.
Take care.